I, Virendra Sharma, welcoming you in our YouTube channel. Amount of their food in order to make just as a moral regarding the value of a sharing. At the very beginning of a story, one soldier came to a village carrying nothing more than empty cooking pot. Upon their arrival, the villagers are showing their unwilling to share any of their food stored with him. Then the soldiers unloaded his magre kit, filled the pot with the water, and dropped two large stones in it. Place it over a fire. One of the villagers became very curious and asked what they are doing. The traveler answers that he is making a stone soup, which tastes wonderful. They would not be delighted to share with it still need a little bit garnish, which they are missing to improve the flavor. That's why he told everybody few carrots. So these are added to the soup. And the villagers walks by, inquiring about the pot. And the traveler again mentioned their stone soup, which has not yet reached its full potential. The villagers hands them a little bit of a seasoning vegetables like that, the carrot, ginger, garlic, etc. More and more villagers walk by and each adding another ingredients. Finally, the stone, being inedible, is removed from the pot, and a delicious and nourishing pot of a soup is enjoyed by the traveler and villagers alike. Although the soldiers has thus tricked the villagers into sharing their food, they have successfully transformed it into a tasty meal, which they share with the donors. इन हिंदी, स्टोन सूप एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है जिसमें बहुत भूखा सोल्जर एक विलेज में आता है और उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं होता है. ओनली ही हैज़ ओनली अम्पटी कुकिंग पॉट. एक छोटा सा कुकिंग पॉट ही होता है, बड़ा सा. What happened when the soldiers arrived in that village? All the villagers showing unwilling to share anything with that soldier. और after that soldiers do not dishearten. वो निराश नहीं होता है और वो क्या करता है, अपना मिग्रे किट और पॉट, बड़ा सा पॉट को निकालता है और वो उसको उसमें दो पत्थर को ड्रॉप करता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही places बहुत वंडरफुल, बहुत लाजवाब. एंड दे वुड बी डिलाइटेड टू शेयर विद द विलेजर्स. एंड ही सेज दैट वो बहुत खुश होगा कि अगर वो इस सूप को विलेजर्स के साथ शेयर करेगा. तो What happened? And he also told him that अगर villages में कुछ कुछ contribute करेंगे तो फिर इसका flavor और भी ज़्यादा होगा और improve हो जाएगा. At first, villagers do not show any interest, but stone soup was there. Stone soup, it was astonishing for him. Right, it was astonishing for him. That's why what happened? Each and every villagers came and stood over there, and they made a group, and they did conversation. वो आपस में बात करने लगे कि किस तरह का सूप है. Then he also told a false story that this stone is given by one saint. कोई साधु ने इसको ये stone दिया है. और इस स्टोन को अलेक्जेंडर ने भी इस स्टोन को अलेक्जेंडर ने भी इस स्टोन सूप को पिया था. And he just won. He just did a battle, and he won also. In the same way, the villagers make their mind, अपना दिमाग को बनाया कि क्यों नहीं थोड़े थोड़े सब्जी मिला लिया जाए, दे दिया जाए. So that one village went and they brought carrot. कोई carrot लाया, कोई cabbage लाया, कोई ginger लाया. In the same way, they just all the villagers put these ingredients in the stone soup, and after that it smells so delicious, and the whole surrounding, पूरा surrounding उस smell से भर गया. So everybody wanted to taste it. So at first this soldiers taste that stone soup. उसने पहले टेस्ट किया, फिर उन्होंने सभी से टेस्ट भी करवाया, सभी को टेस्ट करने को दिया. Really, it was very delicious. Right, it was very delicious. It was very, very delicious. So that a traveler also stay his night in that village. उसने अपना रात बिताया और मूर्ख बना करके भरपेट खाना भी खाया, डिलीशियस सूप भी पिया. एंड विद द मोरल, इसका मोरल यही है कि दैट वी शुड नो द वैल्यू ऑफ शेयरिंग. हम लोगों को पता होना चाहिए. Now we will discuss the question and answer of this chapter. The first is understanding the story. The first question is, how did the soldier react to unwelcoming attitude of the villagers? The soldier was not at all disheartened at the unwelcoming attitude of the villagers. Rather, he was very cheerful. Here is a cheerful means very happy. Rather, he was very cheerful. He swept off his red cap, made a mock bow to the assembly, told the burgomaster that he would not ask even for a single thing. He asked him not to worry, as he would spend night there and go anywhere in the morning. In the first question, you know that it was unwelcome by all the villagers. But by seeing this unwelcoming attitude, the soldiers was not or disheartened. वो निराश नहीं हुआ. He did not disheartened, but rather he becomes cheerful. Cheerful means what? Happy. He wear cap. He remove his cap, and he just make a mock bow to the assembly. It means he wished all the people who were just standing in the assembly, and told the burgomaster that he would not ask for a single thing. He asked him not to worry, as he would spend the night only, and he will go anyway in the morning. Second question, what, according to the soldiers, was the speciality of the stone? A speciality of a stone means what are the features or what are the quality the stone have. According to the soldiers, those two stones had the power to brew the most delicious soup. It means the stone have a power to give to cook more delicious soup, and it is a mouth-watering soup. It is not only delicious, but it will give us the all mouth-watering that can bring water in the mouth, and that even a man tested. It was not this recipe. It was a foreign recipe and presented by him by a saint. And he also told that this soup is had drank by Alexander the Great. So this was the specialty of a stone. Next question is third. Why did the village initially hesitate to add anything to the soup? To the soup. The villagers initially means in the very beginning. Initially means in the very beginning. In the very beginning, शुरुआत में, the village initially hesitate. Hesitate means they was very doubtful. Hesitate means they were very doubtful to add anything to the soup, as they were very suspicious about the soup. They could not believe that if this stone have a power to make soup. Nobody wanted to move first or to admit his curiosity. Curiosity means excitement. Curiosity means excitement. It means nobody wanted to admit his excitement for the soup. So no villagers wanted to make a fool of himself. But suddenly a common impulse overcame them all, and one by one they all slipped away. Slipped away means went away. Went away and came back with a contribution to be added to a soup. So initially all the villagers hesitated to add anything, but later on what happened? Their curiosity or their excitement pushed them to bring contribution, to add to the contribution, for the contribution to the soup. Now next is the fourth question. What comment did various villagers make on the quality of the soup? The villagers made various comments on the quality of a soup, such as burgomaster. He was known as a magistrate of that villages. He commented as excuse it. He commented as excuse it means the great. Here is second person was there. He was portly merchant. Portly merchant said that it was really magnificent. Magnificent is adjective added by portly merchant. And women call it real tasty. And someone called it a miracle. It means it is a magic, marvelous gift, one of the best gift from China. These are the comment having given by burgomaster, portly merchant, women, and one of the villagers who said miracle, and also somebody said that it is one of the marvelous gift from China. So the next question is that is the hordes. What are the various methods that the soldiers adopted to be friendly with the villagers? When you read this story, you know that when soldiers enter into the village, what happened? Each and every villager shows the unfriendly attitude, unfriendly behavior, hostile behavior toward the soldier. So, what are the various methods the soldiers adopted to become a friend of that villagers? The villagers, various methods that soldiers adopted is to be friendly with the villagers are: he carried them. What is that? He carried them along with a joke for an old woman. Actually, he did. He just crack a joke because so that he becomes a friendly and start conversation with the people. And he also make a joke with a dig at a portly merchant. And it was a little bit flattery for the Virgo master, because Virgo master Rigare is the judge of that, chief magistrate of that village. So that he just flattered. He flattered for the Virgo master and told a flood of anecdotes. Anecdote means a story. Anecdotes means stories. He told many stories to the people sitting around him. In the same way, what happened? The what is that? This the soldiers became a friendly with that villagers, and he even praised the villagers by calling him very friendly. It was a friendly. It was not a friendly. So before that only it was hostile behavior, but now it was a friendly because he just show his the flattery and called the village benevolent and very hospitable. Benevolent means very kind. Villages to be very kind. Benevolent means kind. And hospitable means who shows welcoming attitude to the guest. It means welcoming attitude. Welcoming attitude. So that in this way, these soldiers becomes adopted. These methods have been adopted by the soldiers to become a friendly with the villagers. Next question is that is the life skill. You know that presence of a mind is more important asset than the wealth and strength. Presence of a mind is more important asset. Asset means valuable thing or precious item. Asset means what is that? Very precious item. Precious thing. So then the wealth and strength. Elaborate the idea in a short paragraph. It is very true that an intelligent person will use his money in good way, whereas a foolish man will lose it in buying unnecessary thing. If we are intelligent, we can overcome our problems easily. Presence of a mind can help us to achieve or get anything that we desire. We can take the example of this story. In this story, villagers shows hostile behavior before that only. Hostile means unfriendly behavior. Behavior to see strange soldiers in their village. The soldiers does not disheartened, does not lose hope to see the behavior, but uses presence of a mind to stay there and applies his trick to have a very delicious dinner. What was the trick was there? The trick was there that he shown two stones and told them that it has the magical power to make soup. So that this trick he used to make all the villagers full, and he have a very good, very delicious dinner. It was the same villagers who gave vegetables in a cooking the soup and also shows friendly behavior during the cooking the soup. So in the same way, he has used his presence of a mind, and he would have a very delicious dinner in the same villages where all the village shows unfriendly behavior, unfriendly attitude. Right, so that we can say that presence of a mind is really very important asset. Life skill. In the life skill that and the soldiers chuckle. Chuckle means smiled or laugh loudly. Chuckled is smiled to himself. Why did soldiers do so? Discuss with a partner. The soldier chuckles to himself because he had befooled the villagers and had his meal from the villages only. Although the villagers were unfriendly and inhospitable. Yet he managed to spend a night in the village and also satisfied his hunger using his wit. Wit means wisdom. So that he was smiling to himself because he has befooled the villages, and by befooling the villages he would have a very delicious dinner, and he also spent the night in that village only. Our next question is, this is the value based question. In these questions, the one quote is there that tough time does not last, but tough people do. How could the soldiers ensure that he was not disheartened at all? Disheartened means he did not lose hope. He did not lose hope. Disheartened means he did not lose hope. As the lines explain, the soldier was brave enough and he loved his country and was ready to face any problem for it. It was true. He was posted over there and he was returned to his home. As he says that difficult time do often leaves a person's life. Yeah, it is true that difficult time will not last for a long time. But if a person is very tough and very brave, and if he is ready to face any difficulties, any problem, so that he have to fight with those difficulty with full courage. Courage means himmat, right? So this account, the soldiers not disheartened at all in the story to see the unfriendly attitude of the villagers, and in the story what we have seen that not lose his hope to show the unfriendly attitude of villagers. He is a person who applies the presence of a mind to attract the group of the villagers. Before that, nobody was coming towards him, but when he applies his trick, it was the stone soup. All the villagers gathered to a one place, and villagers become very curious to see his activity in making the stone soup. And what happened in the gathering? They assemble in a one place and they start seeing his activity for making a stone soup. Slowly, soldier starts a conversation to involve the villagers by telling some stories, by cracking some jokes. So he just make them trap in a conversation, and in the same way he has start doing friendship with the villagers. In this way, they contributed vegetables in the soup also, and in the same way, by conversation, he convinced all the villagers to contribute some vegetables in the soup. The villagers satisfied to have very delicious soup. It was a tough time for him. That does not last for a long time. Yes, it was a very tough time when he entered into the village by seeing the unfriendly attitude of the villagers, but it does not last for a long time. The soldiers was very tough, so one who faced the problem with his wisdom and courage, so that this type of the problem will not last for a long time. So this quotation is really true that tough times does not last, but tough people do. And this is the writing skill, and in this writing skill, you are consider yourself as a reporter. You are a reporter and who visit the village in a Bohemia and listen to the fame of a stone soup. And after that, write a news report to be published in the newspaper, showing how a soldier uses his wit. Wit means what? His wisdom, to satisfy his hunger. So that when you start writing a report, so you have to write down at first. Write down at first, this is the title. This is the title. So that delicious stone soup is the title of this report, and you should write the place of that where from where the story is there. Place is Bohemia, and the date is 17th August 2020. I have given this the date of today. I visited a village in Bohemia. I visited, who is there? It means you are the reporter. I visited village in Bohemia and heard about the fame of the stone soup, and was amazed to know how a soldier uses wit to satisfy his hunger. Hunger means अपनी भूख, ठीक है. Wit means intelligence. A soldier uses intelligence to satisfy his hunger. The soldiers who return from war depends on the kindness of the people. You know that in a previous time, the soldiers, when the soldiers were returning from the war, they have to depend totally on the kindness of the people and partly on the wit to feed themselves. That's why they have to apply their intelligence for food. The soldiers came to the village, felt the hostility of the people. Hostility means unfriendly behavior. He saw that all the villagers were unfriendly towards him. The Burgomaster told him that nobody would feed him. Burgomaster, the chief magistrate, loudly told him that nobody going to feed him. But soldiers did not lose his heart. He took out 2 stones and popped them into a cauldron. What he did? He took out 2 stones and he just dropped in a pot. Cauldron means a large pot. Cauldron means it is a large pot. Large pot. So he just dropped the 2 stones into the large pot. He filled the container with the water and waited for the soup to brew. And he kept stirring the soup. It was a prehistorical recipe. It was a false story that he just told that it was prehistorical recipe. The stone had the power to brew the more delicious and mouth-watering soup for him. And in this, he used his trick and told this the false story about that stone. And he made the villagers very curious and told them many tales. Tales means stories. Stories related to the stone soup. He further added that if some vegetables were added to the soup, it would become more tasty. He was able to make the people contribute at least some vegetable to the soup. And what happened in this way, he convinced some villagers to contribute at least some vegetables to the soup. The villagers agreed and contributed some vegetable. And then after that, villagers enjoyed the soup and called it magnificent. Somebody told real tasty. Somebody told exquisite and miracle, and a marvelous gift from a China. In this way, soldiers satisfy his hunger, and stone soup becomes very famous in the village. This is the report writing. And that's all for today. And thanks everybody for watching this video. And you must like, share, and give your valuable feedback. And if you like, then subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.